Let's make some French onion sausage rolls for game day. Welcome back to another episode of Pit Boss Grill's Backyard Bosses. I'm Kara from Scale and Taylor, and if we're not already friends yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. We have this huge community called Pit Boss Nation, and we want you to be a part of it. In today's episode, we're going to run through the complete process on how to make easy peasy four ingredient French onion sausage roll. We're going to make them a little bit different of a way just to make it easy for game day, because after all, we also want to watch the game while eating. So to start off, what are we going to need? We're going to need some sausage, because sausage rolls, we're going to be using crescent rolls just to make it really easy. We're going to use a Vidalia onion and then just a simple French onion pack to give it that extra flavor. And for today's cook, we're going to be using Pit Boss Grill's Composition Series Titan. It's one of my favorite grills in the backyard, and I'm going to show you a few reasons why. We're also going to be using apple pellets today because I just think apple and sausage really pairs nicely together to give it that little sweet notes within it. All right, so let's get started. First off, fire up your Pit Boss grills to 400 degrees. Well, it's preheated, and we're going, I just love this grill. Look how much space there is to grill on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Next, we're gonna take the casings off this sausage, because after all, we're gonna be smashing the sausage onto our crescent rolls. So let's go ahead and open up our crescent rolls. This just makes this recipe so super easy. We're gonna lay out the triangles just so that they're easy to work with. We're going to press about half a sausage per square onto each crescent roll. Next, we're going to slice up our onion, and we're going to slowly, and I mean slowly, render these. I know I say render because I just feel like render and barbecue always just go hand in hand, but we're gonna really saute these onions low and slow to get that sweet caramel taste that we're all looking for. Now towards the very end, we're going to add some French onion packet to just really give it that French onion flavor that we're really striving for. So onion, butter, and a little bit of the French onion seasoning, and these onions are next level. Now take these onions, spread an even amount on each crescent sausage roll, and here comes the fun part. We are going to roll these up, place them on a baking sheet, and that's it. We're ready to hit the grill. I mean, 4 ingredients, probably took us 7 minutes to put together. Does it get any easier than that? I don't think so. I don't know about you guys, but sausage rolls are kind of nostalgic for me. They were at every event growing up, and I can't wait to show these newer versions to my family to really get their take on them. Goodness, I wish you could smell this. Oh, does it ever? Let's get into it. Man, these look absolutely delicious. I don't know if I'm going to tell my family about these, because these could just be right in my mouth. So these did take about 35 minutes to get to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. They look beautiful. They taste delicious. And you know when you grab an appetizer and it's just one, and we really want 3 or 5? 3 or 5 all in one, baby. Don't feel bad. Take a whole one. Take another bite. All day long. I want to thank you for joining on another episode of Pit Boss Grill's Backyard Bosses, where we ran through the complete process on how to make these fun French onion sausage rolls. I'm Kara from Scale and Taylor, and if we're not friends yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you thought about this recipe. Are you gonna try it? Do you think you're gonna enjoy this on game day? I'd love to hear from you. I'm Kara from Scale and Taylor, and this was French onion sausage rolls.